If you want to swiftly generate an impressive bar chart in the cell like this is how you do it. First, select the whole dataset table by pressing Ctrl A and then press Ctrl Q to open Quick Analysis tool. Make sure you're selected in Formatting and Data Bars here. And you can see that the numbers or numeric values are actually reflected on the bar chart of each cell here. So this is a good way to tell who is a good actor and who is a bad actor. But this approach has a downside of it. You can see some of these numbers here. You can see a blue line here indicating there's some sort of a bar chart here. The reason why it's so small is because they are actually proportional to the largest number in the whole table here. Let me show you what I mean by that. If I were to increase this number to something large like this, then only then you can see the bar chart coming up. So the way to remediate this problem is that you're gonna have to do one line or one column at a time. You highlight the column and then press Ctrl Q and do bar chart. And likewise with the S tag cost, you select the column, Ctrl Q, and then bar chart here like that.